Hello? Hello?
Next time, I decide what we're doing.
I got you now. You want some?
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Pasco County in west central Florida, north central Pinellas County in west central Florida, northwestern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Newport Richey East, or near Newport Richey, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Pasco, north central Pinellas, and northwestern Hillsborough counties, including the following locations: Moon Lake, J.B. Starkey Wilderness Park, Trinity, Odessa, Elfers, and Shady Hills. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Pasco, Pinellas, and Hillsborough.
Where did I park that thing?
Here you go, Professor.